Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make baba ganoush. Baba ganoush is one of these wonderful Mediterranean dips made with roasted eggplant, olive oil, garlic, salt, lemon juice, and it is wonderful in the summer to dip toasted pita into it. I absolutely adore it. So let me get everything ready and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
We're going to need 3 pounds of roasted eggplant, so probably 3 large eggplant, and they should be about a pound each. We're going to cut them down the middle and then roast them in a 400-degree oven. You're picking out your eggplant at the grocery store or even the farmer's market. Make sure you get bright colored, really plump, shiny, no marks eggplant. After you cut your eggplant, you're going to brush it liberally with extra virgin olive oil and then roast it in the oven. We're going to place it face side down on the sheet pan, and I just use a regular cookie pan sheet pan with nothing on it. All right, the timer went off. That's 20 minutes at 400. They're looking good, but they're not as roasted as I want. So I'm going to put them in for another 10 minutes and check it then. There we go, that's the color I'm looking for. So this was about 35 minutes altogether, and I'm gonna get those out of the oven, and we have to let them cool, and then I'm gonna remove the flesh from the skin. So I'm gonna set that aside for right now, but as you can see, there's a beautiful dark color, and that's what we were looking for. All right, so we have our 2 cloves of garlic. I've already peeled them. Now, I'm not at home, so I don't have my garlic press here, but we have our chef knife, and what we need to do is we are simply going to place the knife on top and then hit it down with the palm of your hand, and that crushes it, and then you just take your knife and you can go over it. Now, we're putting this all in the blender anyhow, so I don't need to worry too much about getting that completely chopped up because it will blend in the blender. Here is our roasted eggplant, and as you can see, it's nice all the way through, and I'm going to use the spoon to scrape all of the flesh off of the skin, and I find that's an easy way to do it. And we're just going to put it into our blender. All right, and we need a half a cup of lemon juice, so that I've got a little bit already, and I've already sliced it. Now, before you slice it, you always rub a lemon back and forth, pressing down firmly on the cutting board. That helps release the juices inside of it and makes it easier to cut. And then once you cut it, if you don't have a reamer, you just stick a fork in it, squeeze it, and then remove all of the seeds. So as you squeeze, your seeds can fall in there, and then you just remove them with the fork if you do have any. So we need a half cup. Okay, so inside we have all of the pulp from the roasted eggplant. I put the garlic in already. Now I'm gonna add the 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And I'm gonna start off with a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We can always add more. And then we have the half cup of lemon juice. And I'm gonna pour almost all of it in. I'm gonna say just a tiny little bit, okay? Just in case. And then I said 3 tablespoons in the recipe, but I have a 1/4 cup here, and I'm gonna pour most of it in. Again, reserve some just in case. I'd rather taste it and adjust and then overdo it and have it not come out okay. So then we got that on nice and tight, and we gotta plug it in. I always keep it unplugged until I'm ready to work with it. And now we are gonna turn it on low speed. I'm going to spatula it down and see what it looks like, and I'll give it a taste too. All right, so I scraped it down with the spatula and pureed it some more, and I've just given it a little taste, and I am definitely going to add the rest of the lemon juice, and it tastes absolutely delicious, but I'm gonna hope I don't regret it, but I'm going to add another 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. The cumin is good. I don't think I need to add any more of the olive oil. I do have a little tiny bit left, so Oh, I'm gonna add it because that way the recipe is exact. I don't wanna have a recipe for people where we don't have exact measurements. And, usually you just leave up to people adding salt or pepper to taste. But most everything else you wanna have an exact amount because for recipe testing's sake, you don't want anybody to get upset that it didn't come out right because they didn't add the right amount. So definitely we'll put the entire 1/4 cup of olive oil in there and the entire 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Here's our beautiful baba ganoush ready to be dipped into, nice and smooth. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all the videos on our YouTube channel, and the recipe is in the description below. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. Thank you. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.